In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best mountain bike pedals. So let's get started. Number 7. Rockbros Lightweight Mountain. These are the best-selling mountain bike pedals in their price bracket and are designed by a US-based sports specialist. They have a tough nylon fiber surface and are resistant to corrosion, abrasion, and shock. The pedals feature anti-skid nails that hold your feet in place. And even when they are covered with mud, they will still grip your feet tightly. The 4.1-inch platforms improve your pedaling efficiency. The pedals only weigh 0.8 pounds and feature an ergonomic design for long riding comfort. They are very easy to install, as they come with identification marks, CRL and CRR. They are also ideal for a variety of bikes, from mountain bikes to cyclocross bikes. They are available in a variety of colors and feature CRMO spindles that deliver the ultimate in performance and strength. The pedals are capable of tackling competition-level trails of different shapes and lengths. Number 6. Lumentrail MTB BMX. Pedals are the main point of contact between your body and your bike and transfer the power in your legs to the bike's drivetrain to move you along the trail. If you're looking for mountain bike pedals that are affordable, strong, and lightweight, give these a try. They do a great job of keeping your feet in place thanks to their anti-skid pins with aluminum cages. These pedals strike a balance between size, support, and grip. Their large platforms make them susceptible to strikes from rocks, but they are tough enough to ward off damage. They are made of aluminum alloy for durability, and their hard spindles make for a strong grip. These are some of the most affordable mountain bike platform pedals on the market, and are worth getting for the performance they offer. Number 5. Shimano Deore XT. These mountain bike pedals are our top pick because of their high quality and efficiency. The Shimano Deore XT pedals are made of strong and durable metal. They have a chrome moly spindle, which is a great material for mountain bike pedals. They're resistant and solid. They also have customized entry and personalized release tension options. One of the best features when it comes to these pedals is their mud-shedding design, which is an excellent factor when you're riding on a muddy mountain. And while they're clipless pedals, they're very easy to clip and release. Number 4. Bergtech Penthouse Flat MK5. The Bergtech Penthouse Flat MK5 is extraordinary compared to other flat mountain bicycle pedals in the market. Its pair weighs 382 g and is accessible in various tones. First of all, the platform measures 100 x 102 mm, which is large, but not so large that the pedals are always on rocks paranoid. Then on each side is the generous 2 mm of concavity into which your feet can mold and stop being rebounded. Due to the especially thin overall depth in the center of the axle, the pedals give the bike a good balance with low sensitivity. A large amount of traction is provided by the 8 4.5 mm high pins on each side. All of them are located at the edge of the platform, helping to sink in their shoes. Bergtech has designed high-quality W300 August covers with sealed covers and rubber oil seals to increase their life expectancy. It should last a good time when its old pedals have anything to go through. Number 3. Bergtech Berg Formulawin Quatches. The Bergtech MK4 composite flat pedals is a concave flat mountain bicycle pedal with a nylon body. It weighs 375 g and is bound to get past obstacles. The pins are generally thin, which assists them with burrowing the sole of a shoe. The Penthouse, designed in the UK, proved robust, durable, and fluid. But some drivers found the stubby axle leading to the platform, which meant that shoes were rubbed with cumbersome shoes. Now, Bergtech has addressed it with an all-new MKV pedal design, but with a wider axle. This composite version makes the MK4 version a 5 mm wider position for a broader position based on a boost retrofit. Number 2. HT ANS10 Supreme. The HT Supreme ANS10 is one of the best flat mountain bike pedals. Its hexagonal design helps brush off rocks easily while allowing you to plant your foot effortlessly even when riding in an unpleasant landscape. It is lightweight at 376 g. The slim platform measures only 100 mm x 100 mm, but in size 9, 5, 10 shoes it is almost fine, because there are no edges, bumps, or limitations to disturb position or prevent your feet from stabilizing over hard ground even on dull and muddy days. Riders with larger shoes can, however, overlap the sides as the platform is not big and the corners are cut off for extra clearance. The ANS 10 Supreme is supplied with a CNC machined aluminum body and a durable CRMO spindle. The EVO Plus bearing system offers longevity, durability, and performance to the internal components. Number 1. Crank Brothers Eggbeater. The Crank Brothers Candy 3 is one of the best clipless mountain bike pedals suitable for riders who want a softer release feel. Its mechanism is the X-Wing Eggbeater, which rotates freely in the center of the shoe. The Crank Brothers Candy 3 is more expensive than the Shimano M520. It weighs 356 grams with traction pads. The Crank Brothers Candy 3 also has a hex key end cap and a double seal system that protects the Enduro cartridge bearings and August bushings.